Hey everyone, Ryan here from 9 Month College Grad, where I teach people just like you how to earn entire bachelor's degrees in as little as 6 to 12 months. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing something a little bit different. And I'm going to be discussing the question, why do you want a college degree, and why I earned a college degree, why a lot of people earn a college degree. And that is actually a lot different. The answer to this question is a lot different than you might think. So if that's interesting to you at all, stay tuned and I'll dive right in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. All right, so what I want to talk about is the question, why earn a college degree? Why did I earn a college degree? Why do most people earn a college degree? There are a couple of reasons. Number one, to get a better job, right? Now, some people, they decide in high school exactly what they want to do for a career, and they enroll in college for that exact reason, and they churn through college, put their head down, work hard, and end up in the career they want to end up in. So a lot of times this is people becoming doctors or surgeons or lawyers or things like that. They step onto that track at a young age and they just move forward. Now, I really have never heard anyone talk about this, but a lot of people earn college degrees, including myself, because having a college degree kind of proves our worth to the world, I guess you would say. And it's kind of a self-esteem thing. You know what? People don't talk about this enough, but not having a degree can be damaging to your self-esteem and your self-worth. And having that degree, when you get that degree, it gives you a self-esteem boost, and you kind of, it's almost like this way of proving to the world that you're worth more, or you're worth enough for better jobs and things like that. It's kind of a strange thing, and you're never going to hear this talked about in job interviews or things like that. But reality is, there are you can get into a lot of good fields, you can work a lot of good jobs without a college degree. But we've kind of been raised to feel like we need college degrees, or we're not worth the amount of money that you make without one. And to be honest, before I started college, I was making like $12 an hour. And I really didn't feel like I didn't have the confidence to go and get a $100 an hour job. I didn't feel like I had the qualifications to apply for certain jobs. So I went to college, and I kind of just felt like if I get a college degree, I can be worth what it takes to add value to employers and work jobs like that, where I'm going to make a lot more money. I really felt like I needed that degree, though. You know what? I got the degree, and it actually worked. Like I've never been dumb. I've never been super genius smart. I just feel like I do have value to add to companies and to employers. And having that degree gave me a big confidence boost that I guess gave me the drive to go apply for jobs that I never would have applied for before. And some of those jobs don't necessarily require college degrees. Some of them do, but some of them don't. But you know what? I went from earning $12 an hour, and sometimes I charge $100 an hour now. It's like just a big boost, a big career boost came from, I guess, having that degree. And having that degree gave me the confidence to pursue the jobs of my dreams and jobs that I can be happy in. And you know what? The same goes for you. If you, for any reason, feel like having a degree gives you, I guess boosts your self-worth and shows employers that you have what it takes and that you have the value and the skill set to add value to their companies, you can go get a degree really fast. And I'm going to be honest, getting a degree the normal way, okay, getting a degree across 4 to 6 years, if that's your intention for getting a degree, like if you want to prove your worth, it's hard to stay motivated for long enough to spend 6 years in college if you're not going for like a very specific job or something like that, right? But with degree hacking, you can, if you're willing to work hard, you can earn a degree in as little as 6 to 12 months. So if your motivation is kind of the self-worth type motivation, you can do it really fast. You can get your degree really, really fast with degree hacking. I guess what I wanted to say in this video is you're worth it. You can do it, and you can have that degree really fast and prove to the world that you're worth it and that you have what it takes to work in the job of your dreams, whatever career field you would like to be in. All of us have value we can add to companies and to employers, and a degree is a really good way to prove that value, prove that we have that worth. So if you want a degree to boost your self-worth and to boost your self-esteem and to prove to the world that you have value to add to the workplace, go get your degree and do it as fast as you can. If you'd like to learn how to do it in as little as 6 to 12 months, if you want to learn about degree hacking, literally the exact process that I used to earn a bachelor's degree in just 9 months, if you'd like to learn how to do that and all about the process, I've got a video for free at diplomasecrets.com. Diplomasecrets.com. You can literally go watch that video for free. There's nothing for sale at the end of the video. You just type in your email address and then I send you a link to the video. You can watch it on your own time whenever you want. And it's literally step-by-step walks through the process of degree hacking. So go to diplomasecrets.com if you'd like to learn more, or feel free to reach out to me. If you've already seen the video training, or if you have a specific question, you can leave a comment below the video, or you can hunt me down and send me a private message. I'm pretty easy to find online. Feel free to reach out, and I'd be more than happy to help. Hope this video has helped inspire you to go put your head down, work hard, and get a college degree. Degree hacking is the fastest, easiest way I've ever found to get a degree. So I hope that degree hacking can be a good fit for you and help you do it faster as well. And thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video.